Hello, my name is Jack Lookman. I was born Olayinka, but I'm known as Jack Lookman. I'm an author of 2 books, Despair, Submission, Faith and Hope. They are available on Amazon. Basically, I came to this course to improve the foundation of what I've learned on affiliate marketing. It's been a great day. I've learned quite a few things, and some of the things I learned before were cemented. I learned about lead pages, I learned about Facebook marketing, etc., and the rudiments of all of them. And of course, I networked as well. I got ideas from my colleagues here, and it's always been very, very great working with Mariana. And going forward, apart from the 2 books, I'm looking forward to doing online courses, digital products, membership sites, and my being here has been very, very productive. I know it's a Sunday and I've been here all day, but it was worth every single penny and time. Thank you very much. I would recommend it to anybody who is interested in doing affiliate marketing. With Brexit coming in, insecurities and all that, this can actually act as a sort of insurance for the future. And for those of us who are growing older, this is a bit of a pension for us. So it's very, very great. I would recommend it to everybody. Thank you. Bye-bye.